What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. What I got for your Faceball, actually, no, before that, pre-Faceball comment.
Pre-Faceball.
I'm joined by my lovely wife, Molly. Say hello.
Hi there.
Hi. So, what we have for your Faceballs today,
I always come before Faceballs.
we have a package here to open up, which is quite cool. So, I know at least one thing that's in there anyway.
Touch it.
Yep.
Okay.
And so this package is coming by way of Mr. BJ Hill at Hilltop Knives and Gear. He picked this up for me. I was actually in some meetings here a couple weeks ago, and he texted me a picture, and I said, man, can you get one of those for me? And he did. So, you know, that was very nice of him. We've got some newly modded stuff. We've got a nice little... I forgot to turn my light on again. New stonewashed blade there on this Tucson, and then we got some lightning nano, some laser work. This is actually the very first lightning nano knife that I did, but I also
Really?
Yep, this was a test piece. I also added a thumb stud to this one, so this one by design is a front flipper that works very, very well. But now with the thumb stud in there, works very well also. So, and it lends itself very well to a thumb stud because it's out of the cutting path. And yeah, good little knife. Also, on the knife mod front, this is a knife that was sent in by the one and the only Mr. Winchester. He sent this in, had a few little issues on the blade. So we tuned it up and did a beautiful little acid wash on the blade.
So there you go, Winchester. There's a peek at what's not in your pocket right now.
What's not in your pocket, Winchester.
I don't think we'll send it back.
This will be headed back to Mr. Winchester here momentarily. But you can see right there, I just got done sharpening it, and this is, I don't even remember what model this is. This is Damn Designs from Adrian. And yeah, can't remember the model, but I'm pretty pleased with how that M390 turned out. I picked up some new techniques on how to get the blades a little darker. And you guys know my Maximet Para 3 is extremely dark, and this M390 is about in the same sort of color, a little different stonewash on there, but yeah, really pumped on how this turned out. It looks really good, and you know, the new acid etching techniques are coming in handy. So very, very good. And then, you know, we also got some random 3D printing projects. I had to make some little wire clips for a little household project. These will be hidden up under the cabinets. So we got several of those.
Pretty cute.
And then we also, you know, don't make me bust out my can of whoop ass. So
What an old joke, but still
relevant, still good. So that literally is the can of whoop ass.
It's pretty heavy too. You could wing that as a kid.
It would hurt. It would hurt. This thing is dense and strong, that's for sure.
It's lippy.
Yeah.
Going right at
whoop
her.
ass. Wham! Just, oh yeah. There it is.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
That's right. The whoop ass. And here's the non-black whoop ass. Right on. Okay, what else we got?
I got some chopsticks.
Chopsticks. And Molly brought home her pink mini bug out from work.
Oh, bamboo chopstick.
Well, you're not really in frame. There you go. Now you're in there.
Chopstick.
Okay. Sounds great.
It's the only thing I got.
All right, so let's take a look at this package. We're going to use the old Tucson here. Oh, look at that. She's sharp. Newly sharpened. Let's see what we're working. We got a lot of foam squares here.
Okay.
Lots of foam. All right.
Hey BJ, do you know where I could get some foam?
I know exactly what these are. These are
the cutouts from his knife case.
Knife case. Yep. Yep. Those are from a Harbor Freight Apache knife case where he cut the blocks out. So what do we got in there? What do we got in that little box?
It's a Kizer.
Kizer box. Nice white box.
Nice white box.
Giggity.
It's titanium and it's 2.52 inches long.
Okay.
It weighs 0.247 ounces. And it is this. A siren. Race whistle.
It also looks like a cap, yeah, and a cap lifter. Got
So,
cap lifter and rape whistle along with Kizer logo.
if you're thinking about raping my husband,
Titanium.
you can't now.
Whoa.
Yeah.
She works. She is working. So that's actually a nice little keychain piece right there. Mm-hmm. You got the rape whistle as well as the cap lifter, but it doesn't take up a lot of space. Is there anything else? Is there like a key ring in the box or anything?
No.
Let me see.
Unless it's at the bottom.
Oh. So this small white box is stuffed with black foam as well. Interesting. Right on. Nice little tie whistle. But here's the main show. So they sent this out with the titanium whistle along with this. We got a nice black box here with a nice kind of soft feel to it. So let's see what we got in here. Look at that. This is from the Kizer Friday Club. And for those that don't know, Kizer does this Friday Club where they offer up what, I think is a pretty awesome deal, really, because it was, not only was it super cheap, but it's also just an awesome knife.
Dang,
so you
that's
get this,
a good deal.
Oh, here we go right here. Dear friend, on behalf of Team Kizer, I want to say thank you. You are the reason why we make knives, and it has been great joy for us to serve you. Kizer Friday is our way of saying thank you, and we hope that we can have the pleasure of being with you for years to come. Yours sincerely, Kizer CEO.
I gotta say something
CK.
here. Now, I like Kizer, but excuse you? How
Yeah.
presumptuous are you that think we are friends?
So,
I have no friends, I'll have you know.
Kizer Friday Club, and here's what you get with it. Now, I'm going to tell you the price on this here in just a few moments, but so
Nice little book.
you get a little cleaning cloth, and then your normal books and shit. Pluck them, file them, and you get the nice black box, and this nice little hook and loop closure pack here, and they're like velvety on the inside. And here is what we got.
Is Kizer Japanese?
Chinese.
Chinese?
Yep. Check this out.
Oh,
So
it's pretty cute, but I don't like gold.
Here, you can flip it. This is no flipper. This is the new Kizer mini sheet. Oh, look at you go!
Oh, damn! Y'all just witnessed a miracle.
Yeah, I didn't think that was going to happen, and she didn't either. She got her finger in there, and you should have seen the look on her face. She was multitasking. She was doing that and drinking out of some tea, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
And she got her finger in there and kind of side-eyed me, and then did that, and then about choked on her tea.
Yeah, I was totally expecting and planning for a fail.
So here it is, Kizer mini sheepdog. This is in this one here is number 6 of 300, 006, and awesome little knife.
Love a sheepdog.
Yeah, the sheepdogs are great. I'm assuming
It's for trimming small meats.
that's right.
I use my big Kizer to trim big meats. If you're new here.
Yeah. This is, it doesn't say on here anywhere. I'm assuming this is 154 cm. Actually, it probably says on the box.
Probably.
No. Oh, yeah. Yep. 154 cm. Says it down here. 154 cm blade, black, aluminum, yellow, and steel liner. All right. So we got yellow anodized or gold anodized aluminum scales, black coated 154 cm blade. Comes with premium packaging plus the rape whistle, and all of it was, I'm wanting to say it was $70. It was.
Dang, that's a good deal.
It was $70, and then I know that because Yep.
I want that.
$70 for the rape whistle and the Kizer mini sheepdog in this kind of custom colorway and materials, because this is aluminum scales and most of the sheepdogs are G10 scales. So, or the mini sheepdogs, they do make a premium one that's titanium, but and this also has a milled titanium pocket clip. Very, very nice. So there you go. There's the new Kizer Friday Special, Friday Club. Blade is perfectly centered. And yeah, nice one. I dig it. So here, you hold on to that. Put that one in your hand. How do you feel about it?
See if I can do it again, guys.
All right, let's see. Look at you. Look at you go.
Oh, I am a knife ninja now. It's actually really great.
Yeah, you like the mini sheepdog?
Yeah.
It's comfy in hand?
Yeah, it's perfect, though.
Yeah. This, is it more comfortable than the damn designs? Because you really liked this one too, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know. I feel like I just have more room and more.
Well,
it's
yeah.
a little
It's
nicer.
bigger.
I like it a little bigger. Like how do I say this? I mean, don't we all, girls?
Yeah.
But like,
ladies, you know the procedures.
I don't feel like my pinky's about to fall off of this one, where I do kind of with that, but it's not so terrible, really, that
Okay.
it's worth.
Yeah, I mean, this is
about. I mean, I'm saying it for you people.
Just a 3-finger knife for me. My pinky's not even on it at all. I can like choke up into this area, and then I kind of sort of like, if I hold it kind of cockeyed.
I like to choke up on that one better, though. I don't like this one for that.
Okay.
So there's that. It's too far of a reach for my little nangers.
Gotcha.
Oh, 3 for 3.
Can you go 3 for 3? Oh, shit. Look at you. Things are happening.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
You guys don't understand how big of a deal that is. Because I am not a knife lady.
Yeah.
I'm just a lady being a dweeb on my husband's YouTube.
There you go. Right on. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the old Kizer Friday Club, the little mini sheepdog here. Really, really cool knife. Go check out the Kizer Friday Club. It's pretty cool. And maybe you too can get a bunch of foam blocks along with your rape whistle and your mini sheepdog. So, we got a brand new knife here, and I didn't even. We gotta check the factory edge.
Let me get these nubs out.
Yeah, get the nubs out. Almost forgot. Wasn't even thinking about it.
How dare you?
Yeah.
Does anybody want a couple dogs? Because 2 of them are being real dumb today.
Yeah, that's a fact.
One of them stinks real bad, too.
Just one of them?
Yeah.
You want to put the duck in there?
Mm-hmm. I was going to move it when you moved.
No ducking way. Gonna silence that real quick. Okay.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yep.
Huh.
All right, here we go. Let's see what we got going here for 154 cm, brand new, out of the box from Kizer. 110.
Not too shabby, Kizer.
110. That's pretty good. That's very, very good.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah, for those that don't know, we're looking for something less than 200 on the scale here, so 110 is very good.
Very nice.
Yep, and I haven't done any. Well, I did just kind of pant strop it for a second.
What? Like on your pants?
Yeah.
Huh.
I just sharpened that Tucson here. We'll just check that one out real quick, just to see how much better Kizer did than I did. I just put a real quick edge on this thing because I just stonewashed the blade, but so this thing I'm sure is going to need some strop work, but let's check it out. See where we are. $220. So there you go. Definitely needs touched up on the strop, but yeah. So for a factory edge to be literally twice as sharp as my knife, yeah, really, really good. So awesome, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Anything else?
You know, word to your mother.
Word. Yeah. All right, guys. Hope everybody has a wonderful week this week at work. Peace.
Bye.
We gone.